How to quickly unblock someone on Snapchat. Whether you have accidentally blocked someone or simply changed your mind and now you want to unblock that person. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. So simply follow my steps. The process is same for both iOS and Android devices. The first step is to open your Snapchat application, and then we have to go to your profile, and then you will get here. After that you want to go to Snapchat settings. So click on this little gear icon on the top right side of your screen. When you get to your Snapchat settings, you will then need to scroll a little bit down until you see this privacy control section. So under it, you can find the blocked user option, so tap on it. So this will show you the list of all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. I only have one person in the list. So in order to unblock someone, tap on the cross button and then click yes. And that's it. That is how you can unblock someone in Snapchat. If this video was helpful for you, then I request you to subscribe, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.